Have you ever wanted to try sublimation, but maybe the price tag on a printing setup was holding you back? LOPO have a new product you will be willing to play with, so stick around and see for yourself. Hey guys, I'm Zoe. Today we are going to be talking about sublimation marker. What are they, what they can do, and why they are a great addition to your craft room. Before we begin, let's talk about the markers themselves. There are two sets available, so you can get a pack of 12 with basic colors and a pack of 18 with neon colors. And each color schemes come in different kinds of nibs, and they come in the 0.5mm nib, 1mm nib, and 2mm large nib. So you have 6 options available. They are great for use on sublimation type items such as polyester t-shirts, tiles, little coasters, nice mugs, money boxes, all those kinds of really fun things. It should be mentioned that those products with sublimation markers will not fade. Sublimation markers might look and feel like your typical marker, but the ink inside is anything but ordinary. Because of the special ink, it's best to store them on this side, but you will want to flip them over for about 15 minutes before use. You don't want to store them like this because they will end up oversaturated. But you also don't want to store them like this because they could end up dried out. Seeing is believing, so here's what you are going to need to work with sublimation markers. Plain copy paper, basically the cheaper the better. But you definitely do not want to use sublimation papers because copy papers can be perfect replacement for it. We also need a mug machine, 205B Pro, heat-resistant tape, and protective gloves. Now that we have all our supplies, let's start drawing. Sublimation markers allows you to create multiple kinds of line thicknesses, so you have even more possibilities. And don't worry about the color doesn't look very vibrant, because sublimation ink starts out dull, but becomes vibrant after heat application. Keep in mind as you are drawing that the paper will be flipped onto the substrate to press, so your original image will look backwards on the finished product. Now that all of our drawings are ready, let's prepare for heat application. Now let's check the printing result. Look how nice and bright this image is. I'm so excited to do my own design and drawing on mug or any other products because I can turn these pieces of art into wonderful masterpieces that will last. We won't say forever, but they will last for a long time. There's nothing stopping you from considering more creative ways to utilize sublimation markers. If you have any question about using sublimation markers or different projects that you can do with them, please make sure you leave those in the comments below. And if you are on hunt for them, you can always visit our website to get more information. But before you go, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm Zoe, see you next time!